from On Target Canada. We're back out here at Silverdale. Got the Mossberg rifle. Did some research from when we were last out here. A couple of things I've got to work on to improve my shooting. The first is making sure that the bipod is not jumping around, or the rifle's not jumping around on the bipod. And to do that, we're going to be loading the bipod up with some forward pressure to make sure she's not jumping, and that's probably what was causing some of the accuracy loss last time we were out. The second thing is, and again this is a newbie thing, was the parallax on the scope. I had completely forgotten that the Strike Eagle from Vortex came with a parallax adjustment and was not using it, which was probably causing some of the issues. So we're going to give it a shot. I got some leftover ammo from the last time we were out, and we'll see how we do. I'm going to start in the center and then group around to the four corners. We'll take a look at the target when I'm done. So guys, we're done shooting. I did 5 groups of 5, and let's see how we did. So here's the target, and we'll go over the shots. The first shots were in the center, and it's these 3 here and these 2. After that, I tried repositioning, getting myself braced a little bit better. That was these 5 up in this corner here, so you can see still a bit of a vertical spread there. Took a little bit of a break after that, then we went on to these 5. The 5th shot was actually just off the top of the paper, so you can see the groups coming in a little bit better. And then we went down here to these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this group here. So she's still almost 2 inches, 1 3/4 inches at 100 yards. So not great, but getting better. The last group was over here. The last shot just went off the paper, so 3 pretty good. This one, and then 1 just over here. I was not trying to group in properly. These were my aim points on the red corners, but I was trying to be consistent and try to make sure that my shots were repeatable as we went. So we're getting there. It's going to take a little bit of time. Next time I'm out, I'm probably going to try to settle on an ammunition type to maintain consistency, and then I'm going to re-zero in the rifle, make sure we're hitting in the center at 100, and once I have that done, we'll move out to 200 and see if we can do better there. But it's another step in the continuing process and education here, and it's been a beautiful day out here at Silverdale. I've been here now for going on 6 hours, and it's been a gorgeous, great day. So get out and do more shooting. We'll see you soon.